The Samsung Gallery app is loaded with cool features and settings that you might not know about. So let's find out 9 best Samsung Gallery settings and features you didn't know. By default, when you open the Samsung Gallery app, you will be taken to the pictures view. Here you can see all the images with the most recent one at the top. You can switch view and go to the album mode by tapping on the album option at the bottom. To change layout or grid size for pictures and albums, use the pinch in and out gesture. While viewing images in the Samsung Gallery app, if you have scrolled a lot, you don't need to scroll again to go to the top. Simply tap on the up button present in the middle at the bottom of the screen. You can also tap on the Albums or Pictures tab to scroll quickly to the top. Samsung Gallery app offers an interesting feature where it automatically shows duplicate images. You can then delete them and keep only one image to free up storage. To use this feature, tap on the three-dot icon at the top in the Samsung Gallery app. Make sure you are in the Pictures tab. Choose View Duplicates. The app would have automatically selected one of the duplicate images, making it easier for you to delete them. You can select or deselect images manually as well. Hit the three-dot icon to delete images. Are there some images that you love to view regularly? You can add them to the Favorites folder. That way you don't have to search for them every day. You can simply open the Favorites folder. To favorite an image, open it first and then hit the heart icon at the bottom. To view the Favorites folder, tap on the three-bar icon and select Favorites from the list. If you don't like how the Samsung Gallery app looks when you first open it, there's another way to view your recent photos quickly, and that too from the home screen. It offers a cleaner interface. To use it, first, open the Samsung Gallery app and tap on the three-bar icon. Choose Recent from the menu. Tap on the three-dot icon on the recent screen and select Add to Home Screen. Now whenever you need to access the recent photos, simply tap on the newly added recent icon on your home screen. You can view videos quickly from the home screen as well. To do so, tap on the three-bar icon in the Gallery app and select Videos. Tap on the three-dot icon at the top and select Add to Home Screen. Tap on the Videos icon on the home screen to view videos on your phone. If you accidentally deleted images or videos from the Samsung Gallery app, fortunately, they can be easily recovered within 30 days using the Trash feature. So make sure Trash is enabled in the Samsung Gallery app. To enable Trash, tap on the three-bar icon and select Settings. Enable the toggle next to Trash. To recover photos from Trash, tap on the three-bar icon on the Samsung Gallery app home screen and select Trash. Select the images to recover and hit the Restore option. Besides the 8 settings, the Samsung Gallery app offers more hidden features. To uncover them, you will have to enable Gallery Labs. Open the Samsung Gallery app settings by tapping on the three-bar icon. Then tap on About Gallery. Tap repeatedly on the version number until you see a message that says Gallery Labs is enabled. Go back to Settings and scroll down. You will see Gallery Labs. Tap on it and you will find numerous settings. Use them as per your need. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.